UPS delivered this morning from California. Oriental rug. The cat, the dog, saturated with the urine odor. Let me show you how PetPeePee, using the XpetPee machine and the Dead Sea minerals, clean the Oriental rug without touching the rug in the wet cleaning process. The odor-free cleaning product from the Dead Sea flood the rug on the top. The vacuum located under the rug vacuumed everything through the rug, so all the Dead Sea minerals go through the rug, pull all the pee-pee, the dog saliva, the oil from the dog skin, the dirt, everything's go through the rug, fall down to the pan, and flush automatically to the sewage. On the way to the sewage, I can see clearly what's coming from the rug. And this will indicate how long your rug will be in a cleaning process. PetPeePee never use a scrubber, a squeezy, so the color will never run. The rug always will be shine and nice looking because we never pull the hair out of the rug. Most of the Oriental rug cleaner clean your Oriental rug by using the carpet cleaning equipment and chemicals. Scrubber designed to clean a restaurant floor, not a Persian rug.
My dog peed on the carpet and I don't know what to do. My mother said PetPeePee works and it guarantees it too. PetPeePee.
Before sending your Oriental rug to be cleaned from urine odor, ask the carpet cleaning the Oriental rug professional, do you spray deodorize? And if the answer is yes, let me explain to you why PetPeePee never use deodorize. When you spray a vanilla deodorize on pee-pee, you will end with a pee-pee vanilla. Therefore, PetPeePee using odor-free cleaning product from the Dead Sea. This is how we got 5-star reviews on Google all the time. Thank you for watching PetPeePee, the only one guarantee urine odor removal by using the odor-free Dead Sea minerals.